everyone, and welcome to a brand new Melbourne Railway videos production. Today I am here at Kilmore East on the Seymour line. This is just a look at some of the station building. There's a station sign. If we just have a look in here, you can see lots of controls. And if you look up the track, there's actually some sort of a siding or junction. This is looking towards Melbourne, by the way, and Southern Cross. Alright, so that's a look down the platform, the down end, looking towards Seymour and Shepparton. There's the standard gauge and Albury lines. It's just kind of a crossover point. Then you can probably see up the track there's some sort of a siding. My prediction would be that would lead to the old Kilmore line, Kilmore branch. But yeah, there's platform 1, which is smaller than this platform, which is platform 2. I apologise for the wind if you can't hear me too well. It's quite a windy day. Okay, just to look at the other end of the platform, looks like there used to be kind of a mini siding here. You can see something that looks like a platform. Just a little pedestrian crossing to get across to platform number 1. To look down the platform. That's a look down there towards the Apex quarry siding, which is quite nearby. And there's another look at standard gauge tracks. Okay, we've got an Albury service passing, led by an N class. N463 leading. With some N-class carriages. Anyway guys, unfortunately I have to keep this video quite short because I have to go. Hope you enjoyed that N-class. Thank you for watching. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all in the next Melbourne Railway videos production.